Today's livestock veterinarians need accurate diagnostics with a quick turnaround time. You need proven autogenous vaccines, and you need it all to be delivered with a service that understands the demands of the industry. In order to succeed, you need innovation on your side. You need Cambridge Technologies. Based in Worthington, Minnesota, Cambridge Technologies combines experienced leadership with the very latest in diagnostic and manufacturing techniques to create a custom vaccine company unlike any other. Built on a foundation of advanced molecular technology, Cambridge Technologies offers precision vaccinology backed by experience, accessibility, and professionalism. With more than 400 years of combined animal health industry experience between them, the Cambridge team continues to improve the tools that veterinarians have available to combat existing disease threats, while also keeping an eye on the horizon for new developments. Cambridge Technologies strives to be the autogenous provider of choice for production animal veterinarians around the country.
As time goes on, vaccine research really changes rapidly. And we had been in business for almost 40 years, and as time went on, we saw those changes occurring all the time. And we knew that there were new things that could be done from the time we had left the business till we were coming back in.
Because the commercial vaccines, the non-autogenous, non-custom-made vaccines were taking years and years to develop. The strains were not up to date with what the disease was being caused by. And so we were able to put in the right kind of strains in there. We could formulate it according to studies we've done in the past.
A lot of large companies can't get done what we can in a small manner with good people.
The Precision Vaccinology process begins here, in the new Research, Development, and Diagnostics Laboratory. Every day, technicians take in samples from farms around the country and employ the latest in diagnostic technology to identify pathogens, characterize strains, and get veterinarians the answers they need. Autogenous vaccines from Cambridge Technologies are backed by years of investigative and supportive research. More than half of our research projects involve proactive autogenous research, and we also work towards commercial product development. Our team frequently presents at industry events, and they have been awarded multiple patents. This commitment to R&D sets us apart in the industry.
Yeah, Cambridge Technologies has invested heavily in R&D ever since its inception. I'm not aware of many companies that invest as high a percentage of the budget to research and development, but it's really a testament to how significant we consider research and development to be. Autogenous vaccines rely on using the most current technology, and that's really where research and development comes in. We make and trial different vaccines, but then evaluate the performance in animals. So oftentimes vaccinating drawing blood, analyzing the antibody response, really trying to see how can we maximize that response. Where does that money go? It goes into staff. Currently we have about 7 or 8 people full-time in research and development, so approximately 10% of our staff is in research and development.
Armed with diagnostic results, our technical service veterinarians will work with you to formulate an autogenous vaccine that is built to the specific needs of your customers. From bottle and dose size to label color and adjuvant, Cambridge Technologies can build a unique vaccine tailored to your requirements. Manufacturing is the heart of the Precision Vaccinology process. At our 38,000 square foot USDA licensed facility, we adopt the latest production technologies to create autogenous vaccines that are personalized to the unique needs of each customer. Our proprietary Precision Select adjuvants are formulated in-house for guaranteed consistency, with each batch tested to ensure quality. The SCORE process, surface and core optimized relevant antigen expression, targets the use of surface and core antigen proteins to optimize expression and thus improve immune recognition. Our autogenous vaccines offer unmatched customization, multiple dose size options, Precision Select adjuvant family, various routes of administration, solid dose, dual dose implants for bovine customers, multiple container options, multiple label color options. Throughout the manufacturing process, our quality assurance team touches each order multiple times to ensure accuracy and that our products meet the highest standards possible. Every vaccine order is tested in compliance with USDA regulations.
So some of our strengths in efficiencies and ultimately improvements upon those, I think, is really born in our wealth of experience that we have all throughout the production process, the needs of the customer, diagnostic, their role, and really on through the regulatory elements that are key to getting autogenous vaccines to the customers that need them. Our quality and consistency of our products, we take a lot of pride in that. We have a formulating system that is the backbone of each and every product that goes out the door. And then once the product is being made, going throughout its formulation process, we have tests that are built into the manufacturing. And they are internal tests, some of which too are required by the USDA. But we really take pride in using those tests and that formulation process to have the first vaccine that goes out the door for a customer be the same as the next one and the next one and the next one. I think a real point of confidence that our customers can lean on is the fact that we work with our internal veterinarian staff, our tech services staff. They have a wealth of experience out in the field, not only working for autogenous vaccine companies, but practitioners themselves. They come from all areas of the country, all different types of production, animal situations, disease situations, and then they can really help at the beginning of the process when a customer is coming to us for a solution to his or her problem. We have those folks that can really get it dialed in right away.
Superior customer service is the cornerstone of Cambridge Technologies, and our regulatory department works to ensure all necessary USDA paperwork has been submitted and approved. The experienced team maintains consistent relationships with state veterinarians and regulatory agencies, constantly thinking ahead to anticipate and avert any potential issues. We prove that every day with our regulatory services, account management, and technical support.
In the vaccine business, it's all about people. We had very close people that we've been with for many years that were still talking to us, and that's the key to everything.
We're very focused on customer service, helping the producers out there. And yeah, we need to make money to keep it going, but that's the most important part is customer service.
We all work together, and that's the biggest thing. There's no break in the link from the beginning of the process to the end, just a cycle that we continue with each and every customer and each and every product.
The industry changes, and we need to change with it. As management of animals changes, the diseases and issues these animals face also change. So Cambridge has always got its finger on the pulse of what's happening in the field.
We really see ourselves as innovators in the field, not only custom or autogenous made vaccines, but also other technologies that we can harness to solve existing disease problems or maybe emerging diseases that may not yet be a threat but could be someday.
When you partner with Cambridge Technologies, you aren't just getting an autogenous vaccine. You are getting more than 400 years of combined industry experience in every dose.